Hello everyone. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to tell the difference between MLA citations and APA citations. And so what I'm going to do here is take a look at an article from a Gale database. I'm in World History and Context. And I'm looking at this article on Leonardo da Vinci completing the Mona Lisa. And if you're not familiar with this, all Gale databases have a Cite button at the top here. You'll find this in most databases. And if I click that, it's going to bring up in Gale an MLA citation. Gale defaults to MLA 8th edition. And so this gives us an opportunity to see a completed citation in MLA format. So as you can see in this particular one, there's no author listed. If there was, the author would be at the beginning of the line. So this particular citation starts with the article title, which you'll see in quotation marks, followed by the container, which is in italics. That is the larger work in which the smaller work is housed. Here's the editor. This is from volume 4 of this book on global events. And here you can see this is the database, which is in italics, and then the URL, and then the date that it was accessed, which in this case I'm doing this recording on November the 14th. And so this is a typical MLA citation where the author is not present in the citation. If I click up here, I'm going to switch this to APA 6th edition, just so that we can take a look. And if you look here now, you'll see some differences between what just happened. Okay, so in MLA, we started with the article title. In APA, we're also starting with the article title, but notice that in APA, there are no quotation marks around the article title. So one of the differences is that MLA uses quotation marks around article titles, and APA does not. The date of publication in an MLA citation is buried near the publisher, but in an APA citation, the date is normally considered a very important piece of information, and so it is placed right after the first piece on the line. There it is. And that is in parentheses. You'll see that in parentheses, followed by a period. Then you'll see here's the editor listing, and then again, italics for the container title. Here you'll see parentheses around the volume number. There's the city of publication, and then APA uses this in front of URL addresses. It always says retrieved from, followed by the URL, which you will not see in MLA. That's an APA format. And the date of access is not listed on an APA citation. So unlike MLA, where it would be followed by accessed and then the date, that does not appear in an APA citation. So again, I'm just going to switch them back so you can take a look. Here's MLA with its date of access here, the date of publication buried further in, the article title in quotation marks, versus APA, no quotation marks around the article title, the date of publication is in parentheses immediately after the first thing in the line, and then retrieved from just before the URL with no date of access. So those are just some of the ways that you can tell the difference between an APA and an MLA citation. So that when you're looking at citations online, you'll know, oh, I don't want to grab that one, it's in APA format, or I need to switch the information into MLA format if it's for an English assignment. It just gives you some sense of what to look for. So those are some of the differences between MLA and APA. I hope that was helpful. Have a great day.